him in the kidney.
Is this gonna be the?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's the thumbnail.
That's
Beautiful.
That's what I'm.
Now, like the conversation's kind of
'cause I don't
flowing.
feel relaxed.
Are we good?
I think so.
Okay, let's roll it.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm not usually
So Jonathan,
being in front of the camera.
we just
Or
met at a
Jonathan.
party,
Yeah, in front of the
didn't we?
Yeah.
So why don't you introduce yourself for everyone? What are you gonna tell them that you want them to know if you met them for the first time that they should know about you?
About me, if I met them for the first time.
Yes.
Well, okay, if I met them for the first time, I was looking like this. So I guess I would introduce myself. I'm Jonathan, finance, ITS student. IT,
I really should do it this
IT
time,
is
though. Make
straightforward, IT. I guess I'd want them to know, I don't normally look like this. I'm bald by choice.
Okay.
So I look a little bit cleaner normally.
So why are you bald by choice?
Well, because I was balding anyway, so I went for it.
Okay.
But the hair still could be there, but I was like, I took it off.
So is that the first thing you tell people?
It's just like, no, it's just a fun, like people ask for like those fun
Okay,
facts. It's like
okay.
a fun fact,
Okay.
People usually laugh at it. They like those kind of jokes, so.
I
it's
say
not-
it worked pretty well for me.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so it's not like I don't have to think of like, what's something interesting about me. It's something they see. It's something
Sure.
that's like noticeable.
It's like a white
anyway.
elephant
Yeah, it's like a
or-
white
yeah.
elephant. Yeah.
Okay.
So you just kind of address it. You get it over with. Yeah.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're an ITS student.
Yep.
You're bald.
I'm bald.
Do you tell them anything else, or you're like, your turn to talk?
I mean, it depends. Like, so it depends on the setting. Like, if I'm gonna meet them, like at a party, like I might tell them like more fun, interesting facts. Like, I like to go rock climbing. But if I meet them in like a formal setting, it's like, I've worked in like the banking space and I've worked in like real estate and things like that. So
what part of the banking space do you work in?
well, I don't work in bank. So I had an internship in banking. I did like a corporate and then investment banking. Had a hedge fund internship and a real estate internship on the acquisition side. So these are all internships. I'm still a student. Not like I'm
Yeah.
way up there, but
Yeah.
so I mean I might talk about those things and like how I have varied experience and all that.
So which one was your favorite, and why was it your favorite?
Which one was my favorite? I think the one that I came out of liking, or I think looking back on it, I liked it the most was probably the hedge fund experience, even though I would never work there again. It's just like, it was definitely the most interesting one because it was very, I had to, it was definitely, I had to
Like the work itself?
Well, not the work itself, no. that's why I don't, but it was like I was working in a room with one guy, and I was like, me and him were sitting on opposite sides of the room and coding and not really talking to each other. And so it was such a unique experience, and I felt like I had to be so much more self-motivated to do that. So I came out of that with
Wait,
more
so they were coding at the hedge fund?
No, it was research, really research
Okay, got
based,
it.
and so like building like models and things like that, so like Excel models, not really coding as much, but still like technical kind of work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chad, you ready to get in here? Come on, Chad. You're gonna interrupt. Get in here.
Do we swap now?
Chad, you can be on this side.
I was just really thirsty.
Oh, okay.
What are
here
you
go.
doing?
Sorry. Wait. Okay. You know what? I want to take a picture of it.
Come.
I feel like you're gonna have to edit this part out, I think.
We don't have it.
We don't edit. It's all live.
It's not even live though. Like this is. All right.
We'll see how it works is
Do I
it
have-
just gets uploaded.
Do people like the live stream method more? Like, I mean, you're
I
the
like
YouTube guru, so.
I like the live stream method, and it's like reality TV.
Okay.
Yeah.
I guess people do like
Come
the
on.
train wrecks. And they
Come
like
in and
see
close,
people,
Chad.
so.
No, you don't have to sit. You can squat.
Here, take your
Just
phone
come a
out
little
of your
closer.
pocket if you're gonna sit.
Yeah.
Thanks. I forgot about it.
Yeah, you'd regret that.
All right, Chad. We just met at a party.
What?
Exactly.
Okay.
We don't know each other,
Okay.
and what should I know about you? What do you tell someone you meet at a party?
Hi, I'm Laura.
Okay. Then what?
Not Chad.
Then they ask them about themselves and whatever they seem to have interest in that matches with my life, I tell them.
Okay, you just met me. I'm Bob.
Hi, Bob.
All right. So what do you say?
What's your name? What's your year? What's your major? What are you interested in?
Okay, so you're a student
Why are you turning this around on me?
because they already know about Bob.
What would you tell them? That was the initial question.
Chad gets a little confused, guys. It's all good though.
This was about you from the start.
I know, but I need to know a little bit something about Bob before I can like pick what I'm gonna tell Bob about myself.
All right, Bob's major is computer science.
Oh, that's so neat. I'm computer science too.
Oh, really? What school do you go to?
I go to UTV.
Really? Bob used to go to the UTD.
Oh, but now he graduated and not a student
Yeah, it is pretty weird.
party.
Yeah, that is a little awkward, huh?
Yeah.
So, alright, so we've established that Chad's a CS major. What else do we know about him?
Chad likes graffiti
Okay.
and rock climbing
Uh-huh.
and music and code sometimes.
There we go. That was the most important bit. All the other stuff I was like, does she code? Does she code? Does she code?
Oh yeah, Chad loves coding. Coding is Chad's
Fantastic.
life.
So what do you code then?
You know, all my passion projects.
Oh, passion projects. Tell me more about them.
I'm into machine learning.
Uh-huh.
And a good way to present machine learning to other people is like app stuff. So I play with some app things.
So when you say you play with some app things, does that mean you make apps? Or do you just use apps on your phone?
I just play battle caps. No. I've made a couple of React Native apps.
Uh-huh.
I've made a couple like bootstrapped websites.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Have you ever mixed app and ML together?
I mixed website and ML together.
Okay, tell me more about this website ML.
I did mostly the ML stuff.
So you didn't do the website part?
I looked into it, but I didn't really contribute.
Bummer.
Yeah.
It makes me sad. What kind of ML did you do then?
It was
I was hoping you were gonna tell me you did some React, but
Oh.
now you're just gonna tell me you did ML.
Did you want to have a theme of React going?
No.
I can tell you about all my hackathons that I did with my good buddy Benjamin.
You mean Bob?
No. Bob's this random dude I met at a party.
Oh, that's
Benjamin's the
That's
solid
someone else?
guy that I hacked with.
Okay. Well, you gonna tell me any more about ML? Where's Chad like done?
I'm into natural language processing. I think it's the very
Do you use the
immediate-
NLP library?
Yeah. Wait, the NLP library? Oh yeah.
You know, you don't have to use the NLP library. Some of us pros use build it from scratch.
No, that sounds rough.
Yeah, it really is. I don't build it from scratch,
I
and I don't do NLP.
I built like 1 or 2 algorithms from scratch,
Uh-huh.
and it was just like, why would I do this when I could just import it from anywhere else?
Yeah, I mean, it only comes up when they poorly implemented or like, I don't know, like the algorithm doesn't do what you want.
Yeah, or when like the documentation for the algorithm's rough.
Actually, that's true. Then you just
I'll
copy
just-
and paste the code off GitHub. I've actually done that sometimes. I don't know
Make
if
it
you've ever
myself,
done
and
that.
then you can like see how it works. Yeah.
Alright. Can you do a cool outro?